As the buzz from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 launch starts to cool down, rumors about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series are already heating up. While the details are still a bit thin, a recent leak has given us a sneak peek at what the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra might look like. Well-known tipster Ice Universe shared an image on X that hints at a redesigned S25 Ultra. According to the leak, Samsung might be ditching the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra in favor of a more rounded design. If this turns out to be true, it could make the phone more comfortable to hold, addressing a common gripe with the current model. The leak also shows a comparison between the front panels of the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. From what we can see, the display size and aspect ratio seem to be sticking around in the new version. There have also been some whispers about the S25 Ultra's hardware specs. It's rumored to pack a massive 200-megapixel primary camera on the back, along with 3 other lenses: a 50-megapixel telephoto, a 50-megapixel super telephoto, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. On the front, the selfie camera is expected to stick with a 12-megapixel resolution. The battery might also stay the same at 5000 mAh, with support for 45-watt fast charging. One of the biggest upgrades could be under the hood. The S25 Ultra is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, featuring custom Orion cores. Meanwhile, the standard S25 and S25 Plus might get Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chipset. For more details on performance, check out our other video linked in the description below. These leaks give us an early glimpse at the S25 Ultra, but remember, things could still change before the official launch. With months to go before the expected release, we'll keep an eye on the updates and share more details as they come in. Thanks for watching.